Imagine a world where, in the aftermath of a storm, communities can recover faster and more efficiently, where homeowners, insurance companies, and local governments are empowered with precise, actionable data to make informed decisions. Welcome to the revolution, brought to you by Dronestitute and Sky Scan. Our journey begins in the skies. Using state-of-the-art drone technology, we conduct comprehensive roof inspections with unmatched precision. No roof is too difficult to reach, no detail too small to capture. But it doesn't stop there. Our advanced AI systems are the heart of our operation. They recognize patterns in the data, identifying roofing damage with incredible accuracy. Whether it's detecting hail impact, wind damage, or wear and tear over time, our AI ensures nothing is overlooked. This pattern recognition technology isn't just limited to roofing. It can be adapted to identify other pertinent damage trends, helping to aggregate losses and provide a comprehensive overview of affected areas. Our platform can be tailored to meet the unique needs of any disaster recovery effort. For homeowners, this means peace of mind. With detailed pre- and post-storm assessments, they can address issues before they become costly problems. Our reports are thorough, clear, and incredibly accurate, making the claims process smoother and faster. Insurance companies benefit from our detailed, fraud-resistant reports. They can process claims more efficiently, ensuring fair and fast payouts. And for local governments and FEMA, our data is invaluable. With precise damage assessments and predictive insights, they can allocate resources more effectively and plan for recovery with confidence. At Dronestitute and Sky Scan, we are not just changing how we respond to disasters, we are revolutionizing it. Our platform is ready to be expanded for even more advanced uses, accommodating the needs of various stakeholders in disaster recovery. Join us in building stronger, more resilient communities. Together, we can ensure that when disaster strikes, we are ready to respond with precision and care.